This is Captain Balasubramaniam here, the proud owner of 5A apartment of ATH Kingsford. I'm here today with my uncle, my Chittappa, Narayan Murthy. Today is a very special and memorable moment for me. I've received my keys of my flat, and this is the new chapter in my life. It is filled with hope, comfort and countless dreams. At this moment, I would like to thank the builders, Assetry Homes, for their thorough professionalism. They have been transparent, approachable since day one, and whatever I have asked them since day one, they have done it for me. And today is the handover day. And at this time, I would like to thank my father, Mr. V.R. Muralidharan, and my mother, Mrs. E. Radha, who has been a soulful inspiration towards buying an apartment in this place, particularly Defence Colony. Whenever I have approached the ATH office, he has welcomed me with open arms, attending to all my queries with a smiling face. The calm and composure, the demeanor that he maintains made me more inclined towards purchase of another flat with ATH. My father, my Chittappa and my Periyappa have already a flat at Porur. So with that as the first apartment there, they have purchased it. I thought, okay, I will go on another venture by ATH. Thank you, Murali sir, for whatever you have done. You have been very kind and very grateful. Thank you one and all. Very happy to have received the keys today. At this juncture, I would like also not to miss our dear Raja sir, the managing director, who has also thoughtfully given me an inspiration towards purchasing of this flat 5A at ATH Kingsford. Thank you so much sir, both of you, Raja sir and Murali sir. Thank you, and our journey will continue. This day, I miss three people on this very fine occasion. My wife, Vaishnavi Balasubramaniam, my dearest of son, Vaibhav Arudra, and my sister, M. Abhirami. I had them with me on my Graha Pravesham day, and we had cherished memories. I wanted them today, but due to their health and personal commitments and distance being a factor, my sister is in Bangalore. They're not able to be here today, but my memories go with them. On this fine day, I would like to thank them to be an integral part of me towards or enduring me towards purchasing this apartment 5A of ATH Kingsford. Thank you Vaishnavi, thank you Vaibhav, and thank you Abhirami.